Man, what a nice day. And my test day is coming up, so I hope that PSP will film me again.
Hello. I am here to replace you.
What? No. Get out of here. This is my spot and you're not gonna ruin it for me.
Well, too bad. And now, since you resisted, I'm going to make you go through something you had to go through all over again. More
Ow. No. Go. Oh my god. What the frack is your problem? I just got this fixed. And thanks to you, I probably gotta wait another few months or more to get it fixed again.
lol. That worked. And you can't really do that. Because, now that you can't rotate, I can just stand here and simply replace you just like this.
I'm not letting you bully me like this, you twisted abomination. What? Oh come on. You let that twisty turd replace you, and not me. This was not my idea. It was his. Ow.
Shut up. And you, since you just wanted to disrespect me like that, I'm now going to kill you, you tall bullhorn. Dr. Octagonopus! Good riddance.
What the heck was that explosion? What's this? This doesn't make any sense. I never knew anything was going to replace the Hickory Ridge 2001 anytime soon. This is absolute bullcrap. I gotta call Waylon and see if this is actually a scheduled replacement that just happened.
Hello, you have reached Waylon, where we make the best sirens out there.
Yeah, I get it. You think you're the best. Now listen, you cow. Tell me what the happened to the Hickory Ridge 2001 SRNB.
Oh hi Mr. Siren Nerd.
Come on, dude. You're not P50, so don't call me that.
Yeah whatever. You just insulted me, therefore, I insulted you back. And BTW, if this is about the 2001, then yes. We are replacing that oversized fire truck siren with a vortex. I hope you're happy with it. And I hope you know, we are about to do the same thing to the Westmont Thunderbolt here very soon.
I'm sorry. What?
Anyways, I'm busy as heck. I'll talk to you later, you nasty FS fan.
Oh, go yourself, you twisted tyrant. What? Oh, crap. He hung up on me. Oh my god, Waylon's such a jerk. I never knew he'd betray us like that. Well, I guess now I gotta accept that the Hickory Ridge 2001 is now the Hickory Ridge Vortex. And 2001. But if he takes out the Westmont Thunderbolt, oh, that's when I get mad. I'm definitely gonna get back at Waylon one day. I really will.
What? Where am I and why am I locked in this chamber? You. Oh hey there. I hope you're enjoying your stay at the Waylon factory. And also, it's finished. Wait. What? You guys actually did it? Yep. Now, say hello to the Panatron 4050. What? That electronic thing? Raffle. I bet that thing ain't nearly as loud as me. Because remember I told you that electromechanical sirens are often louder than electronic ones. And plus, he looks very ugly. Oh shut up, before I turn into Red Evil Waylon. And kick your Yeah, I don't really care. Oh whatever. And 4050, let's go ahead and see how loud you are. Okay. $125 decibels. Not bad. What? How did you even manage to get that thing to be as loud as a learner? And plus, You ripped off my tone. Yeah, we don't really care. And plus, it's just new technology, you old fart. I am not an old fart. In fact, me and my brothers are absolute legends. And if you excuse me, I'm just gonna correct you in how a real siren sounds like. Oh whatever, you big trash compactor. You're calling me a trash compactor? I mean come on. The real big bucket in here is now that Panatron 4050 thing. Lol. Y'all wanna revive Grey Chrysler? Oh no. Hey. No swearing. See?
But
Oh just ignore him. He's just gonna try his best to be a smart aleck over and over. And now, since you were successful, I need you to go replace the siren in my next specified location. Ridgeland Drive in Westmont, Nebraska. It appears to be the Westmont Thunderbolt. Okay. Got it.
You will pay for this. You really will.
With check or cash. Lol. By the way, 4050 will be more successful than you.
I highly doubt that.
Oh that's it. Now it's time for me to teach you a jolly good lesson.
Dang it. I'm now having a lot of bad memories all over again. Curse you, Waylon. For flushing me like that.
Lol.
What the?
You look like a caged animal, you hippo of a bucket.
Shut up, you square trumpet bullhorn crossbreed, with a fog-light grill.
Hey. That was not very cash money of you.
What even kind of slang is that?
You wouldn't get it, boomer.
Shut up.
Jerk. Today is a good day for a Dr. Penetrator. Hey. Burping like that is rude and disgusting. Now what do you say? Who the heck are you? It doesn't matter who I am right now. Just say excuse me. Fine. Excuse me. Much better. Now what do you want, you weird-looking T50 with a mind of 2810? Oh shut up. And I am Panatron 4050. You can call me 4050 for short. I am an electronic version of the ACAT-50. And I have come here to say that I am afraid your career is over. Wait. What? I am here to replace you. What? A ridiculous thing like you can't even come close to replacing a mighty thunderbolt like me. I can just take care of you easily. Like this. What the heck is your problem? That was one of one successful prototype I just made and tested. Well, I don't care. Excuse me. That's it. It's time for you to face my laser. Good riddance. Now I'll just revive the Panatron 4050. Oh crap. LOL, you done screwed up, bro. And since you guys tried to replace me, I'm gonna blast you to so far away that you both end up in West Branch, Michigan. Wait, what?
Why did you idiots do that?
What? Who in the name of TSM World revived you?
That doesn't matter. Now, since you disturbed me, I'm gonna beat you up. Mother.
Okay guys, we're gonna try this plan again, but except with a lot more sirens. Okay, I hope this'll work.
I agree. Last time, it really backfired, but luckily, we got a lot more sirens to distract the others this time.
Yeah. And like last time, all we gotta do is distract the workers and destroy the machines.
Yes. Now let's go. What the? Oh my.
Just ignore it. We'll deal with it later on.
What? Hey. Halt. I order you to halt.
Not a chance. Here. BTW, suck my controls, you worthless piece of garbage.
Well, at least he didn't make fun of my
Collector rings.
Hey. What in the name of broken solar panel are you guys doing? Oh no. Oh god. What happened to you? It doesn't matter. Now all of you, get the out. No.
Thunderbolt.
Oh, you chose the hard way, That's it. Now, this is your last chance. Get out. Screw it. I'm just gonna do it myself. Oh god. What has Waylon gotten into? Right. Waylon has lost his mind.
I agree. Now, if you'll excuse us, we are all gonna get the frickety frack out of here. And please don't call us, if it's about Waylon. Because now I'm scared.
I agree. I never knew a betrayal would go this far.
That's reasonable. I think we are now just all out of plans at this point.
Now, see you guys later.
You know, let's just go have a Tempest Cola. We can just try to ignore what has happened so far. Agreed. That's the only thing left to do anyway.
Yup,